Centuries ago.
Hello and welcome, viewers. Now, I might not be able to look at the camera right now, but that's just because I'm concentrating driving right now. But we are here at the Bridge of Allan Classic Car Show. Now, this is slightly peculiar because we're having to drive directly through the Graham's factory to get into the car park. I think I'm going to put the camera down now, and I'll pick the camera back up again once I've parked up. So, see you when we park up. Alright, viewers. So, that's us now arrived and parked, as you can see, in the middle of Bridge of Allan, the Bridge of Allan Car Show. I've no idea where to go now because this is my first time coming here for real. Now, you might remember last year, I just follow everybody else, but you may remember last year I sort of came here, but that was just when the event was finishing and everyone was leaving. I only managed to capture just a small snivelling part of the cars leaving. This time though, I'm here for real and capture everything that's here this year. And as well, later on, I will be capturing the cars leaving. So if you want to see that, then I suppose I could re-upload this video and leave the link down in the description below. But without any further ado, let's get into the event and see what there is. Sometimes they say the cars in the car park can be cooler and better than cars that's in the show. Well, we don't know that today as of right now, but we'll find out. I know for a fact, last year there was someone here with a POP 50 and I missed it. So let's see if we can actually capture it this time. And over here we can already see a Volkswagen, I think it's a Carmen Gear. I think that is. And that's just in the car park, so God knows what was in the actual show. Got a lovely wee Fiat X19 back there, along with another little Capri. But enough of this old stuff. Oh, there's something interesting there. There's something American. Not sure what it exactly is. But let's get into the show and see what there is. So, with that, we're already now in the show itself. Got a wee leaflet here. Probably read into that when I get home maybe, but let's check out and see what the exhibits are here. And there's quite a lot of interesting stuff here actually. Oh, there's a Camaro here. Ah, again, wet grass. I'm not a Subaru, god damn it. Already I've seen a whole bunch of cars I've never seen like this. This nice wee Mustang. There's a Monaro here. Oh my goodness, man. The 68 Camaro, the exact same, well, Z28 Camaro, I don't know if it's 68, but this was the exact same Camaro featured in Fast and Furious, the 4th film, where Dom drove the legendary F-bomb Camaro. Might not be the exact same, but it's the same type. Now this is just a classic car show, so the majority of cars here might actually be just classics and vintage. A whole bunch of Morris Minors. This car, this is actually of Scottish descent. Could you believe it? I think. I don't really know my classic cars that much, but this I do definitely know. This is definitely of Scottish descendant, the Hillman Imp. Whole bunch of imps. Got about like what? About 5 of them I see, and different variants of that same Hillman. Maybe different kinds of Hillmans, but those of you who know, oh, that's a Corrado. Now, those that might know classic and vintage cars a lot more, then you guys can definitely help me out and decipher which one of these cars are what. But we've got an Audi R8 over there, we'll come back to that later. Let's just see what other cars are here. Oh, it's a Cortina. The looks of them. So we've got a Cortina GT and an Alfa Romeo and GTV6 and an Alfa Spider. 2 GTV6s, I think these are GTV6s. GTV.
I will catch up with you.
If I never had this flyer, filming this would be a bit easier. And like I said, this viewfinder doesn't flip out, so I can't see exactly what the camera's seeing from my angle. A Dolomite Sprint. Richard Hammond drove one of these. I will say, I think I prefer these in the colour Hammond had it, to be fair. Nice wee Sierra Corsa along with an Escort Corsa. These two are the definitions of fast forward right here. And yes, I recognise, yes, we have got bikes here, we have got a bit of military, we have as well got a bit of vintage fire brigade, but we're not really interested in those kind of stuff here. On my channel, we tend to specifically focus on cars, and we're here at the Lotus section, and here we have the Lotus Esprit V8, I think it's the V8 model, the Allan, Elise. The older Allans, got an old Transit. Just for those that probably would want it, just because, well, to prevent you guys from shouting at me in the comments, like, hey, but feature the bikes, feature the bikes, feature the trucks and stuff. But there you go, that's all you're getting, and that's pretty much all that's here really, as far as we could see them. There might be more bikes here, yes. And in terms of these trucks, I don't think there's, I think this is all that might be here in terms of the trucks, but we'll find it in a minute. Yes, greeted with an Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. Nice, lovely Mark 1 Focus RS, and of course the car that we always see at these car shows, the Zombie Apocalypse Honda Accord. Another Mark 1 RS. Don't know much about my Volvos. Is that the old 850R? Something that, I don't know. I know there's another 850R somewhere down there. We'll take a look at that later. not bad. What else has he done to this? Ooh. Wait just a second. Yeah, man. Hooked up with Norse, that's what I'm talking about. You can pretty tell I'm more in line with my Japanese cars than Allan. BMW 2002. Seen a few of these going around here before. The old Triumph Stack. Now this is an 850R. A Ford Granada, an old Rolls Royce, and these Cadillacs. Who would have thought we would have these here? EG6. Who would have thought you'd see the day of a hot rod being lowered? I believe, isn't this Ford Deluxe Coupe?
31 minor, no indicators on, still hand signal.
Vauxhall PX220, along with something hideous. What is this? Chrysler Crossfire convertible.
Which is gets out of your
There's a few of these 911s going around here. Now this one's going to the people on the channel that probably don't know cars. You might have seen this car going around before a few times, but you'll be surprised to know it's not front engine. The MGF is mid-engine. Shocker.
Pizza, chips, whatever, and
I know you Americans, probably even Texicans, this truck might be quite common over there for you guys, but over here, it's not that common.
No.
Now on one of these, I know I might say it's an Austin, but I believe it technically could be an old Series 1 Land Rover, probably when they were owned by Austin probably. But it would stagger you to amaze you where the filling point for the fuel tank is on this thing. Just give it a quick walk around and see if you can find a fuel filler cap on the outside.
Was this pre?
No, it was. I can remember reading about this last year. It was something to do with
That might be the fuel filler cap there, but on the Series 1 and I think Series 2 Land Rovers, and how you fill the fuel tank is actually right underneath the driver's seat. Yeah, shocker. Now this, well, this is actually one of the first few Saabs ever made, right after they'd stopped making aircraft. And a Bel Air.
Well, that's the original Savage. That's a V6. It's in.
Well, I see. This Triumph Herald. The sheer size of this thing. It's like what, 10 feet of car that is. This one's for you, Adam C, an MGB. Another one of the usual cars that you see at all these Scottish car shows, Pontiac Trans Am. But I'm not complaining, it's a rare car, give it a chance. Now, one of these cars here, this is a Reliant Scimitar. Did you know Princess Anne had one, you know? Apparently, allegedly. She did, she really did. According to legend. A Reliant Scimitar, you know? Some of these ringtones, just ignore that. That would have made a good YouTube clip, but decided to cut it out anyway, because, why not? The most overrated car in the world, a Toyota Supra. It's fine that it's Japanese, and that's... I love Japanese cars, I'm sure you can tell, but the Supra, I'm not too keen on it because of how overrated it is.
Well, anyway, hopefully, I've got E5 in here. I know that's higher than the 97.
Maybe one of the... They would say maybe one of the best Saabs ever made. Classic Herbie. But something more interesting than Herbie, a 944. Well, this is something interesting. You might think, oh, okay, it's just a boring old Beetle. But hang on, give this one a chance. Yeah. A Beetle Ute. Who would have thought of it? An old Lancia. What one's this?
See your plastic stuff is great. It comes up well, eh? I've never been blasted.
One of the first M3s ever made, the E30. And some more MGBs for you, Allan. And a CRX.
Catch up later on.
I'm here now.